Hello there, my wonderful brothers and sisters. And today I just actually received this great news, and I don't know. I just want to confirm with everyone if what exactly I'm seeing is actually really making sense, or is actually true. Because there are a lot of members, especially members from my ward, they've actually come out very clearly, and they are saying, "Brother, have you heard of this? Have you heard of this? That now men who are over 40 years and they are single, they can still actually go serve a mission. They can serve as senior missionaries." And what I was wondering is that will they have, mission companions, or what? I actually don't know if they will really have missionary companions, you know. And this is actually what I came across. And without further ado, let me just invite you so that you can listen to this for yourself. Please welcome.
Of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints just announced single men 40 and over with no dependents can now serve missions. The church says the new change will help more members reach their goal of serving a mission. They also note it may align with some of their life experiences more. Single women 40 and older will see some assignment changes too. They're now allowed to serve at visitor centers, historic sites, and employment centers too.
So that is the news there that you've heard, like 40 and above, you are eligible to serve your mission. You can now serve as a full-time missionary. And this one, as I understand it, is based on the experiences somebody may be having and all that. So the gates are open, and I think it's more wider for more people to serve a mission, so that the church can really grow, because the Lord is calling on people to actually, put their shoulders to the wheel and ensure that they serve Heavenly Father as it should. So I think more effort is needed in the missionary work. More effort is needed in the missionary work. And these are the last days. The Lord is hastening his work. So you can see, as temples are being constructed in many parts of the world, so is also missionary work needs to be expanded, so that the work of God can move forward, and every child of God may have an opportunity of actually, listening or getting the gospel. And this is actually good news. Actually good news, especially for bishops. For those who are serving in the bishopric, I think the common questions that is always being asked: will I be able to serve my mission? Is there an opportunity for me to serve my mission? And I think this is actually there. This is it. And this will make the church more stronger and more eligible in a lot of things. And please tell me what you're thinking about this. Let me know what you're thinking about this, so that we can constantly ensure that we have real knowledge on what the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints has actually decided. That's why I'm telling you, man, we are being led by the prophets of God. Otherwise, thank you very much. God bless you, and looking forward to see you again next time. Thank you.